Want to make your dog's mealtime more exciting? How about trying some homemade dog treat recipes that are both healthy and delicious? It's an excellent way to provide your four-legged companions with the nutrition they need, while also tickling their taste buds. You'll be surprised how these recipes are a breeze to prepare, with ingredients often found right in your pantry. From peanut butter and pumpkin dog treats to sweet potato dog chews, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to learn how to make these tasty treats for your furry friend. First up, we have peanut butter and pumpkin dog treats, a perfect blend of nutrition and taste. These treats are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and minerals essential for your dog's health. Let's dive into the recipe. You'll need some whole wheat flour, canned pumpkin, a couple of eggs, and of course some peanut butter. Start by preheating your oven. This will ensure even baking for your treats. While the oven is warming up, mix all your ingredients in a large bowl. You'll want to blend them until you get a smooth dough-like consistency. Next, it's time to roll out your dough on a floured surface. Don't be shy to use those cookie cutters to create fun shapes that your dog will love. Then, place your shaped treats on a baking sheet and slide them into the oven. And there you have it, delectable peanut butter and pumpkin treats for your dog. Next on our list is a simple one-ingredient treat, sweet potato dog chews. Let's dive into the preparation process, which begins with thoroughly washing and thinly slicing the sweet potatoes. Keep the slices about 1/4 inch thick to ensure they dry out adequately during baking. Now let's move on to the baking process. Place your sweet potato slices on a baking sheet and bake them on a low heat for about 3 hours. You want them to be dry and hard so they'll last longer and give your dog plenty of chew time. These sweet potato chews aren't just tasty, they're also packed with nutrients. They're a great source of dietary fiber which aids digestion, and they're rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, and manganese, essential nutrients for your dog's overall health. Your dog is sure to love these sweet potato chews, and you'll love how easy they are to make. So, we've just shared 2 fantastic homemade dog treat recipes. The peanut butter and pumpkin treats are not only delicious, but also packed with fiber and protein. Then there's the sweet potato dog chews, a simple nutritious snack loaded with vitamins. Preparing these treats is a breeze, and the best part, you know exactly what's going into your pet's food. Give these recipes a shot and watch your dog's mealtime become a whole lot more exciting. Thanks for watching, and remember, nothing says love like homemade treats.